not?
Can I get a one?
Yes, give Cecily your money and she will collect it. Thank you.
Will I put this blue then?
Tajon, can you go around and collect the blue sheets for me? Thank you.
I want a 20.
Thank you, Tajon.
What time is it? Oh, no. 11:35.
So as Tajon is collecting your worksheets from Ms. Brennan's portion of the math lesson.
Good morning, Miss Mike.
Good morning. Sorry. Good morning, class. How are you guys doing? Good. Great. So as Cecily is collecting the money and Tajon is collecting the worksheets, I would like for you to finish eating your Oreos. You should finish eating your Oreos. So I'll give you about 1 minute to finish your Oreos. At the end of 1 minute, if you're not done, it's going in the trash. So I noticed that during the last class, Ms. Brennan taught you guys a chant. You guys want to practice it? Want to practice it? What time is it?
It's math time.
What time is it?
It's math time.
You don't beat. What time is it?
It's math time.
What time is it?
It's math time.
All right. Oreo should be next.
It's Oreo time.
No, it's not Oreo time. So we're going to try it one more time, and then when we're done, we're going to go into star position, okay? At the end of, write it down to 1, okay? All right. So when we're in star, what are we doing when we're in star? Where are your feet?
On the floor.
All right, let's try it. So, it's math time. What time is it?
It's math time.
What time is it?
It's math time.
What time is it?
It's math time.
What time is it?
It's math time.
3, 2, 1. I see that Randy's in star position, ready to go. I see that Kalora's in star position and ready to go. I see that Nyaja's in star position and ready to go. All right, let's go. All right, so today we're going to be working with math word problems. Who loves math word problems? Woo! All right, so the word problems that we're working with today are compare problems, where we're going to solve for the unknown smaller number, okay? So, our objective today is to work with math word problems where we're solving for the smaller of known problems. I'm going to show the first problem to you. And as I'm showing you the problem, my expectation is for you to be sitting down in star position. You don't need anything on your desk, so you can put your pencils away. You're listening quietly to me. I'm not taking any questions right now. It's really important that you listen to me right now because these problems are pretty tricky. And I want you to be able to get the problem. So, I'm going to say this one more time. As I'm doing the math word problem, there should be nothing on your desk. You should be sitting in star position. Renaya is sitting. She's sitting in star position, and nothing is on her desk. I see that Jaden is sitting. He has nothing on his desk. John is sitting in star position, nothing on his desk. We're ready to go. All right. So, as we're looking at math word problems where we compare, the first thing that we do is we read through the problem one time. So I'm I'm going to read for the problem, and I want you all to silently follow along with me. Your eyes should be forward. I see that Renee, eyes are forward. Let's try that again. So as I'm reading the word problem, I want you all to silently follow the word problem with me. The word problem is right here. Okay? All right. So, Nazir has 5 more pencils than Cecily. Nazir has 7 pencils. How many pencils does Cecily have? I read the problem one time. Now I'm going to read it one more time. But this time, as I'm going through the word problem, I'm going to be searching for clues. Because within word problem, I need to search for clues to help me to solve the problem. Okay? Right now, I'm not taking any questions. I'm not solving. I'm taking no questions right now. Okay? All right. So, Nazir has 5 more pencils. The number 5 is a clue, so I'm going to circle my number here. He has 5 more pencils than Cecily. Nazir has 7 pencils. So, the number 7 is a clue. Also, another clue is that he has 5 more pencils. Okay? Once I've gone through the word problem one time, and I've read it, I'm going to take a moment to write down the information that I do know. I know that a character within my word problem is Nazir. So I'll write down Nazir's name here. Another character. All right, we're going to reset one more time. All right? So right now you should be sitting in star position. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see that Joaquin is sitting in star position. Her eyes are tracking me. Cecily is sitting in star position. Her eyes are tracking me. Eddie is sitting in star position. Her eyes are tracking me. His eyes are checking me. All right, do that. All right, so everyone's eyes are tracking me right now? Nod, your eyes should be tracking me. All right, so within my word problem, I pulled out, I circled the clues that I have. I circled all the numbers. I circled information to help me figure out what type of problem this is. And so, right now what I'm doing, I'm pulling out the main characters in my small word problem story, okay? So, I know that Nas is in my story. I also know that Cecily is in my story. Then, I'm going to ask myself, what do I already know about Nas? Right now, I'm answering any questions. I know that Nas has 7 pencils. So I'm going to write the number 7 right here. Right now, what I'm solving for, I would like to figure out how many pencils does Cecily have? And I don't know, but I'm going to use the clues in my text to help me to figure out this information. The text says that Nazir has 5 more pencils than Cecily. So I'll write 5 more here. I know that since Nazir has 5 more pencils than Cecily, that Cecily can't have any more than 7 pencils, right? That's what I'm thinking. So, another way to say that is, Cecily has 5 less pencils than Nas. How would I write that? In my mind, if I were to write an equation for this word problem, I know that Nas has 7 pencils, and if Cecily has 5 less pencils, what sign do we use when we say something is less? Let's do it with our fingers. When we're doing addition, what sign do we, let's do this. Addition? Right? Let's do it with your fingers. Do it with your fingers. What should you be doing right now? I'm looking for this sign in your hand. I'm waiting on 2. All right? And we're doing subtraction, and we're going to do like this. So, I'm looking for this finger. Hold it up. I can't see. Hold it up. All right. So I see it. All right. So if I were to say that Cecily has 5 less pencils than Nas, right? What sign would I be holding up in my hand?
I need 10 students in the middle.
I see that Eddie has it. Joaquin has it. Tyjon has it. All right. So that's the minus sign.